Well, let's get you the latest on the world's largest democratic election in India. Well, the political fever in India is rising as top leaders of all political parties are campaigning ahead of phase 3 of the general elections. Here's a roundup of all the election activity of the day.
Campaigning for the third phase of general election is gaining momentum as the poll fever goes high in India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed multiple rallies in the state of Gujarat. PM addressed rallies in Surendranagar, Anand, Junagadh and the fourth campaign rally in the city of Jamnagar. Addressing poll rally, Prime Minister hit out at Congress over defaming India's stature at the international level.
आज जब भारत में कांग्रेस कमजोर हो रही है, लेकिन मजा ये है कि यहां कांग्रेस मर रही है और वहां पाकिस्तान रो रहा है। आपको पता चला होगा, कांग्रेस के लिए अब पाकिस्तानी नेता दुआ कर रहे हैं। शहजादे को प्रधानमंत्री बनाने के लिए पाकिस्तान उतावला है और हम तो जानते ही है, कांग्रेस तो पाकिस्तान की मुरीदी है। पाकिस्तान और कांग्रेस की ये पार्टनरशिप अब पूरी तरह एक्सपोज हो गई है।
Senior BJP leader and Home Minister Amit Shah held rallies in the city of Bareilly, Sitapur and Badaयूं. Whereas BJP National President JP Nadda addressed a public meeting in Madhya Pradesh, Vidisha and Arya in Bihar. Opposition party is also leaving no stone unturned to woo voters. Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi held poll rally in the state of Chhattisgarh. Rahul Gandhi addressed public rally in Shivamogga, Karnataka. He said that the Mahalakshmi scheme will change the political game in India.
कर्नाटक में हमने 5 गारंटी दी। कर्नाटक गृह लक्ष्मी 2000 रुपए हर महिला के बैंक अकाउंट में। महालक्ष्मी स्कीम हिंदुस्तान की अगली सरकार बनाने जा रही है।
Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav addressed a public rally in Badaयूं in Uttar Pradesh. Akhilesh Yadav said that India Alliance has decided to waive farmers' loan after coming in power. As Friday is the last day of filing for nomination of the fifth phase of Lok Sabha elections, candidates from both the ruling and the opposition parties submitted their nominations, including Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, who filed his nomination from Odisha Sambalpur. BJP candidate Kamaljeet Sehrawat also filed nomination from West Delhi. Other leaders included NDA candidate from Bihar's Hajipur Chirag Paswan and National Conference Vice President Omar Abdullah, who filed his nomination papers for the Baramulla Lok Sabha constituency in Jammu and Kashmir. Over objectionable remarks by opposition, BJP met Election Commission and accused opposition of violating Election Code of Conduct. BJP also released its 17th list of candidates for the Uttar Pradesh's parliamentary constituency. The third phase of the election will be held on 7th of May, where 93 parliamentary seats in 11 states and union territories will go to polls. Tripti Tripathi for DD India.